Howdy, 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 everyone. We are at the Tavern Bar here in Austin, Texas, right on North Lamar. This is supposed to be the most haunted bar in Texas, haunted by a girl named Emily. And let me give you a little bit of her backstory.
This building dates back to 1916, but behind its centuries-old walls lies a tragic legend, one that still echoes today. During Prohibition, this place wasn't just a grocery or tavern. Rumor says it hid a secret upstairs, a hidden bar, a casino, and even a brothel. Meet Emily, the restless spirit believed to haunt these halls. Local legend claims she once lived upstairs, though accounts differ. Some say she was a madam, others a daughter, and still others an employee of the secret business that operated here. A local prominent patron was allegedly involved with the brothel and was worried about exposure. When his secret was threatened, he flew into a rage. Though Emily wasn't accused of betraying him, the legend claims he murdered her in a fit of desperation and revenge. During renovations, workers uncovered a pair of shoes sealed in the wall, possibly Emily's last mark on this place. For that moment, it said her spirit never left. Now guests and staff tell of cold spots, phantom footsteps, taps on the shoulders. Emily may be gone, but she refuses to stay silent.
So this sign here has a lot of meaning to it. You can see it has air conditioned in it. Back in 1916, they did not have a lot of air conditioners. And that was one of the big draws to the tavern, was the fact that it had air conditioner. Alrighty, so here's the menu. We have the Tavern Burger. We got a Cadillac Burger. We got the cheese blanket burger, the ribeye Philly. That sounds good. Greenbelt Burger and Richards. Used to be a governor here. Chicken fried steak. Then we got the classic chicken wings. We got hot dog. We got all kinds of different starters here. Beef stroganoff, Wendy Davis, fried chicken, fish tacos, buffalo chicken salad, Cobb salad. I think I'm gonna go with the buffalo chicken salad. That's what I think I want today. But just your classic bar foods. Alrighty, so I just talked to the waitress here, and she's telling me that that obviously they know about the history of this place. There's a third floor upstairs, and we're gonna go check that out here in a few minutes. That I don't know if I can get up to or not, but there is a staircase up there, and they said the third floor has rooms, and those rooms are where the brothel is supposed to be at. And she's also stated that a lot of the bartenders in here have had experiences with Emily, the resident ghost. She said it's kind of an initiation for you, that if you're going to work here, you're going to have some sort of experiences with her. She said she does not know if any of the customers had experiences, but that a lot of the bartenders have had experiences. So you don't get the feel like this place is really loud and there's a lot of people here. So it doesn't seem like it would be a place that would be haunted. But then again, what is a place? What should a place feel like? I guess you feel like when something's haunted, it's going to be really like weird and freaky. But this place is, like I said, it's loud, it's friendly, everyone's smiling, TV's on everywhere, so interesting. But we're going to check out upstairs here in a few minutes. Alrighty, here's my buffalo chicken salad. It came out, it looks delicious. Lots of chicken on there. I got jalapeno ranch. There's my dressing. It's got tomatoes. It looks really good. It smells good. Very buffalo saucy. If you do decide to come and work here, spend the afternoon working here, the internet is very fast. It's 70.9 megabytes per second download, and 9.59 upload. So really fast internet. So the buffalo chicken, very good. It's hot. It's not mild buffalo sauce. It's hot. It's very good. Along with the jalapeno ranch, very, very good. Would recommend this salad. Jalapeno ranch is delicious. Absolutely delicious. I'm enjoying it. So now we're venturing upstairs. Ooh, lots of stairs up here. You can go check it out and see what it looks like up here. Oh wow. There's another floor up here with tons more tables. This is a Kansas City bar. They show Kansas City football games here, Chiefs Kingdom. You can see we have that's interesting. We have an outdoor patio here, which is kind of cool. This is where the hauntings happen. We have over here. So this is up to the 3rd floor, and then there's where it all happens right there. Who are those pictures of those kids up here? Oh wow, that's frightening. Look, who's right here? These pictures.
Which one? Oh God! Jesus. Oh my God! I have not seen that.
What is that? That's crazy. Oh my goodness. But that is where the brothel used to be, supposedly. That's insane. There's Ann Richards. There's a picture of Ann Richards right there. Crazy. So here are Emily's shoes. And these were found in 2003. And they were found in between the walls. And this is where they think that they put the body, Emily's body, this politician put Emily's body inside this. So yeah, those definitely look like old-timey shoes. And they're kind of spooky. She had little tiny feet too. So here's the upstairs bar, and this is where they say a lot of the paranormal stuff happens. The tapping on the shoulders, the hearing of voices, crazy. And then of course there's a patio out there also that you can go sit at. And how fitting is it? Do we have a palm reader right here? Maybe it's Emily talking to you, who knows? They have a shuffleboard over here you can play. It's kind of cool. And then they got kinds of board games, Pictionary, Scrabble. And then over here they got a Republican bench to sit on. A Democrat over there and a Republican over here. So when this building was first built in 1916, it was known as the Enfield Grocery Store. And the building stayed a grocery store until about 1933 when Prohibition ended, and then it became a tavern. And it's been a tavern ever since. Another little tidbit about those shoes. Those shoes are actually found in the walls of a crawl space. And as you could tell, they were very tiny. They're very little shoes. And there would be no reason for them to be there. From what the waiters and waitresses are saying. It's weird that you would find a small girl's shoes in a crawl space inside of a building. You can see they got a full draft bottled beer menu here. They even have some non-alcoholic drinks, some ciders, some wines. And then they got your spirits. They got vodka, tequila, rum, gin. And then they got the Tavern signature drinks. 12th Street Old Fashioned. We're on 12th Street, so it makes sense. They got your margaritas. They got a strawberry lady down there. The Tavern's take on the classic pink lady. So there you have it, y'all. I'm trying to get you in a Halloween spirit, another spooky time here in Austin, Texas. The Tavern, good food, great wait staff in there. And Alicia, wonderful, very kind, telling me about the history. You can ask anything. Went upstairs, they let me see up to the 3rd floor, which I don't think they do normally. So thank you to the Tavern for making that a very enjoyable, very informative trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. You know we love you guys. We'll see you next time. Live problem free. Bye.